Operator, have you wondered how to use this secret intel in Season 11? If not, let me show you how to use it. First of all, you gotta collect 3 of those. The secret intel are guaranteed in the safe, so no need to worry. After you get 3 of the secret intel, it will automatically mark the buried merchant supplies in your map. So check it out. The decoder will decode approximately 2 minutes, so be patient and watch your surroundings. But sadly, I didn't hear anything, and this dude took everything in the safe. Better luck next time, I guess. Oh, never mind. It's a jackpot. Yippee!